What if I told you that you never have to press your broken volume button again, and you could make your Samsung phone look even cooler at the same time? Yep, we're adding volume up and volume down straight into the navigation bar. Let's do it. Okay, so if your Samsung volume button is starting to feel loose, hard to press, or completely dead, don't panic. Or maybe you just want to keep it from wearing out too fast. Either way, this trick is going to save you. We're going to use an app called Good Lock. Now, if your phone doesn't support Good Lock, no worries. Just use Fine Lock instead. It works as an alternative launcher for the modules. All right, here's what you do. First, open Good Lock. Inside the app, look for a module called NavStar. Go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, open NavStar and turn the module on. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you want to customize your navigation bar icons, you can actually change the style right here. Just pick whichever design you like. Make it match your vibe. Next, tap New Configuration. Then tap Button Layout. After that, choose Add Button. Scroll through the list and find Volume Up and Volume Down, then tap both of them to add them to your navigation bar. You can even adjust their position however you want. Move them around, make it comfortable for your thumb. This is your setup. Once everything looks good, tap Done, then hit Save. Last step, select the new navigation bar layout that includes your volume buttons. And that's it. You're done. Now you've got working volume controls on your screen without touching the physical buttons at all. Cleaner, safer, and honestly, it looks kind of pro. So yeah, broken volume button, not a problem anymore. And if you love customizing your Samsung like this, trust me, there's way more cool tricks you haven't tried yet. Let's unlock them one by one.